The Kuril Islands are a chain of islands stretching from eastern Russia down to Japan, and they separate the Sea of Okhotsk from the Pacific Ocean. In total, there are 56 islands in both the Greater Kuril chain and the Lesser Kuril chain. The islands are on the Ring of Fire, an area where a lot of seismic activity occurs, and they were created due to the subduction of the Pacific Plate under the Okhotsk Plate. The northern Kuril Islands generally have a subarctic climate and tundra grasslands. The landscape is made up of many steep cliffs. The types of beaches vary per island. Most shores are rocky, but there are sandy beaches on some of the islands as well. The islands contain a relatively small population spread out in small towns and villages. Much of these islands are uninhabited.
The Kuril Islands have high precipitation rates and cold winters due to the Oashio Current. This is a cold current in the northeastern Pacific flowing from north to south along the eastern coast of the Kuril Islands. The average temperature ranges from 0 degrees to 2 degrees Celsius in February and from 8 degrees to 13 degrees Celsius in August. In recent years, the summer sun has only come out 5 times a year. At 40 degrees north latitude, where the Oashio Current meets the Kuroshio Current, there is an intensive mixing and submersion of surface waters, giving rise to the North Pacific Current. On one side of the island there is the cold Pacific Ocean, and on the other the freezing Sea of Okhotsk. If the wind blows from the south, it can be warm and humid. However, if it blows from the north, it can be very cold.
The Kuril Islands consist of 22 main islands and 36 smaller islands. The climate of the islands is generally severe with long, cold, stormy winters and short, foggy summers. The average annual precipitation is 30 to 40 inches. Most of that falls as snow, which may occur from the end of September to the beginning of June. Winds often reach hurricane strength at more than 40 miles per second. The chain ranges from temperature to subarctic climate types. Due to the Kuril Islands' location along the Pacific edge in the area of Okhotsk Sea Gyre and the southward Oyazo Current, the waters around the Kuril Islands are among the most productive in the North Pacific, supporting a wide range and high abundance of marine life. The most common of the whale species are dolphins, orcas, harbor and Dall's porpoises. Another species of animals are the invertebrates, which consist of crab, shrimp, sea slugs, and many others. They are a species of squid that provide a principal component of the diet of many of the smaller marine mammals and birds along the chain. The Kuril Islands are host to the millions of seabirds, including northern fulmars, tufted puffins, murres, petrels, gulls, quail, and a vast more of birds.